ODM will remain solid the way Raila left it. So long as some of us are still there. There are people who think now people like Mbadi cannot play politics. We will. And we will make sure that ODM is strong on the ground. We will make sure that we talk to our people to remain steadfast in ODM under the leadership of Oburu Odinga. Oburu has been steadfast behind Raila, even though Raila is younger than him. But he did not in any way fight the leadership of his brother. He respected his brother. Therefore, we must also respect Oburu Odinga for the leadership that he has. But one thing that I want to tell ODM leaders while standing here, if you think that ODM will remain solid by having everybody who has been there, including people whose agenda is completely opposite what ODM wants, you are daydreaming. You are daydreaming. You must allow some people to exit ODM at this stage. If someone does not want to agree with ODM policies, with the policies that spelled out by the party leader after convening Central Committee meeting, that person should be left to go, so that we can see how many people he's living with. Someone like Sifuna will not remain in ODM because already is conflicted. He is now selling the agenda of someone else. Why are you pretending? You cannot keep him in the party. He is gone. Allow him to go. When I was chairman of the party, and Ababu Namwamba wanted to behave like he's behaving, I made sure he left. I convened disciplinary committee against him as the SG. And by the way, let nobody cheat you. At the SG is keeping documents of the party. That one we changed a long time ago.